Duct cleaning is never really a normal thing to think about until there's a problem.
For a homeowner, you may find that you're dusting more often than regular. Another telltale sign is return air grills. They get covered in a nice little film. It's a very visual indication that you've got a buildup.
The condition of the filters, that they should be changing regularly. The odors that they may or may not experience walking into the front door of their house, or what guests say about their home. Those are some things that you should really consider having someone look at your duct system.
When consumers are looking for quality duct cleaning, you can go to breathingclean.com, learn about the procedures, what you should be looking for in a contractor, what you should be looking for in the job specifically. Believe it or not, you're better off not cleaning your ductwork at all than having someone come in, agitate debris, and not getting it out entirely, because you are ultimately breathing in their mistakes. So you definitely want to have a NADCA-certified person on every single job.